Hi guys, welcome to our channel Supercar Secret. In the dynamic world of cars, undeniably, power adds an extra layer of excitement to the driving experience. Today we're going to discuss affordable cars that boast over 400 brake horsepower, ensuring a superb journey within your budget. So without wasting time, let's start our video. Number 1. Porsche Cayenne Turbo. Transitioning to sports performance, the Porsche Cayenne Turbo, specifically the turbocharged variant, flaunts a 4.5L twin-turbocharged V8 engine, boasting 450 brake horsepower and a 0 to 60 time of 5.4 seconds. Beyond its power, the Cayenne Turbo features off-road enhancements, including a locking differential and height-adjustable suspension. Priced at $6,000 and upwards, its reliability hinges on a well-documented service history. Number 2. Mercedes E55 AMG. The Mercedes E55 AMG is a true powerhouse with a 5.4L supercharged V8 engine, boasting 469 brake horsepower and a rapid 0 to 60 time of 4.5 seconds. From the third-generation E-Class, it offers a perfect blend of speed and luxury, available in both saloon and estate variants. Priced at around $12,000, buyers should be mindful of maintenance aspects like supercharger and suspension components. Number 3. Jaguar S-Type R. The Jaguar S-Type R enters the fray with its 4.2L supercharged V8 engine, pushing out 400 brake horsepower and reaching 60 mph in 5.3 seconds. Limited to 155 mph, it competes with German fast executive saloons, showcasing tasteful aesthetic changes. Priced at around $6,000 to $12,000, this British powerhouse demands meticulous maintenance for long-term reliability. Number 4. VW Phaeton W12. VW Phaeton, particularly the W12 model, equipped with a potent 6L W12 engine, generating 443 brake horsepower and achieving 0 to 60 in 5.9 seconds. Originally built as a response to competitors like Mercedes and BMW, the Phaeton shares a platform with the Bentley Continental GT. Priced around $11,000, its rarity adds to the challenge of finding one. Number 5. BMW 550i. Representing BMW is the 550i from the F10 generation, housing a 4.4L twin-turbocharged V8 engine, producing 401 brake horsepower and achieving a 0 to 60 time of 4.8 seconds. Packed with modern tech, including rear-wheel steering and an LCD instrument cluster, this saloon or estate option offers practicality alongside performance. Priced at $17,000, it comes with known build quality issues, particularly related to head gaskets and valves. Number 6. Cadillac Escalade. Cadillac Escalade is equipped with a beastly 6.2L V8 engine delivering 430 brake horsepower. Despite its massive size, it can accelerate to 60 mph in just 6.6 seconds. Priced around $18,500. This luxury SUV is known for its imposing presence, though some question its build quality and transmission reliability. So guys, it was all about affordable cars that boast over 400 brake horsepower and ensuring an adventurous journey within your budget. If you people enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Supercar Secret for more exciting content. Till next video, keep the engines roaring and the roads exciting.